What if a coding agent could run all day long completely on its own? No babysitting, no reprompting, no checking in every 5 minutes asking what's next. You give it one goal, you walk away, and it just keeps going until the job is actually done. That sounds too good to be true, but that's exactly what just dropped, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. So today I want to walk you through it because this is genuinely one of the more interesting AI updates of the last few weeks, and it's free to use. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, so let's get into what Kimi actually is first. Kimi is made by a company called Moonshot AI, and they've been on a serious roll lately. Their newest coding model just came out called Kimi K2.7 Code, and it dropped on June the 12th. Here's the part I love about it, it's open source. The weights are public, which means anyone can grab this model and run it themselves. This model is built for one thing specifically, real coding, the long multi-step kind where the agent has to plan out the work, write the code, run it, find the bug, fix it, and check itself again. It's a trillion parameter model, but only a small slice of it actually fires on each step, so it stays fast and efficient instead of being a slow, heavy thing to run. Moonshot is saying this is a big jump from their last model too, with noticeably better coding scores and about 30% less reasoning needed to get those results. And here's why the timing on this actually matters right now. You probably remember that two of the most powerful Claude models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, got pulled after the US government issued an export control directive and Anthropic disabled access to both of them. So if you've suddenly found yourself without access to one of the most powerful models out there, having a strong open alternative sitting right there matters a lot more than it would have a month ago. And Kimi K2.7 code is genuinely one of the better open options available right now, especially because it's something you can actually download and run yourself rather than relying on a single company's API staying online and accessible. So let me show you what actually happened when I tested this. The first thing I did was tell Kimi K2.7 inside my agent system to build a game, and not a small one either, a Skyrim-style open world. I called it the Dragon Realm, and when I opened it up, I could genuinely walk around inside it, move through the world, and play little games inside it. It built out a full 3D space straight out of the gate with zero special instructions from me. Now, I'll be honest, this was just the basic first attempt. I think if you gave it a proper structured plan for building games specifically, it could go even further than this. But even on a raw, unguided attempt, it also spun up a Dragon Racer minigame, a synthwave-style banner design, and a little galaxy simulation with planets orbiting around it. For one prompt with no extra setup, that's genuinely impressive output. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's the actual headline update I want to get into because this is the part that changes how you'd actually use this thing. It's called goal mode, and the idea behind it is simple, but it's a real shift. A normal prompt tells the agent what to do next, step by step. A goal tells the agent what must become true by the time it's finished. That's the entire difference. You're not feeding it instructions one at a time anymore, you're just handing it the finish line and letting it figure out the path there. So inside Kimi, you literally type /goal, then you write your objective, something like fix every failing checkout test and run the suite until it passes. It saves that goal and gets straight to work. After every turn it takes, it checks itself. Is the goal actually done? Is it stuck somewhere? Does it need to keep going? It keeps looping until the answer to one of those is yes. The best goals you give it name two things. the actual finish line, and the proof that it hit it. So instead of saying something vague like find all the bugs, which could genuinely run forever with no clear endpoint, you'd say fix every bug labeled checkout, add a test for each fix, and run the full test suite. One of those has a clear, checkable ending, the other one doesn't, and you stay fully in control while it's running too. You can check the status anytime, pause it, resume it, cancel it, or swap in a completely new goal mid-run. You can even queue up your next goal in advance, so the second one starts automatically the moment the first one finishes. That last part is honestly underrated because it means you could line up an entire afternoon's worth of work in one go and just check back in periodically instead of sitting there waiting for each task to wrap up before assigning the next one. Moonshot themselves are upfront that this works best on checkable work, files, tests, command output, a clear report you can actually verify. It's not really built for a quick one-off edit, and if you hand it something huge and vague, it might run for a long time and hand you back something pretty unexpected. So point it at clear, checkable work, and it genuinely shines. A couple more things worth mentioning from testing this out. I ran Kimi K2.7 through a multi-profile setup where I had one profile running Kimi and a separate profile running a different model that also just dropped recently, each one keeping its own separate conversation history. I tested response speed too, asked it a simple quick question, and it came back in about 7 seconds. Not instant, but completely reasonable for a model this capable doing real work. The other interesting thing I tried was feeding it an image generation model as a tool alongside its coding ability. So Kimi handles all the building and logic, and when it needs visuals, it pulls them in through that connected image tool. With that combination, it built out small games with actual artwork in them, and even put together a web-based drum machine that was genuinely fun to mess around with. So if you're looking for a solid alternative to Claude right now, while access to certain models is limited, this is a legitimate one to have in your toolkit. There's nothing wrong with reaching for it. So if you're going to go try this yourself, a few quick tips. Start small. Don't hand goal mode some giant fuzzy task on your very first attempt. Give it something clear and checkable, like fixing one specific set of failing tests. Always name your actual finish line clearly. The agent performs its best work when it knows exactly what done looks like. Use the pause and status commands while it's running. You're still fully in control the entire time, so check in whenever you want. And save your work somewhere persistent as you go, because future you is going to want to look back at exactly what got built and why. So that's the full update. Kimi K2.7 code, open source and genuinely powerful, plus goal mode, which lets your agent chase down a real finish line completely on its own instead of needing constant reprompting. At a moment when access to some of the biggest models out there has gotten a lot less certain, having something this capable, this open, and completely free sitting right there is honestly a pretty big deal. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.